kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is conversion of time. The main objective of today's learning is to understand how to convert the different units of time. Kids, before starting with the topic, let us discuss the different units of time. Months, weeks, days, hours, minutes and seconds. Kids, can you tell me how many minutes are there in 1 hour? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. As today we are going to convert hours into minutes, we must know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now let's begin with the conversion. Let us take the first example. Convert 6 hours into minutes. So kids, what is given to us? 6 hours. We have to convert it into which unit? In minutes. And what is the relationship between hours and minutes? That is, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So how many hours are given to us? 6 hours. So kids, 6 hours will have more minutes or less minutes? Yes, more minutes. And as you know, more in mathematics means multiply. So, if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 6 hours will be equal to 6 multiplied by 60 minutes. So, when we multiply 60 by 6, we get 360 minutes. So kids, when we convert 6 hours into minutes, we get the answer as 360 minutes. Now kids, let us discuss one more example. Convert 3 hours into minutes. So kids, again over here, what is given to us? 3 hours. And we have to convert it into which unit? In minutes. So, what is the relationship between hours and minutes? That is, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, how many hours are given to us? That is 3 hours. So, kids, 3 hours will have more minutes or less minutes? Yes, you are right. More minutes. And more means multiply. So, if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 3 hours will be equal to 3 multiplied by 60 minutes. So, when we multiply 60 by 3, we get the answer as 180 minutes. So, kids, when we convert 3 hours into minutes, we get the answer as 180 minutes. Now kids, let us solve some more examples on copy. Now let us take the first example. Convert 7 hours 13 minutes into minutes. Kids, first of all we will circle 13 minutes. And then we will write plus sign just above it. Now kids, when we will convert 7 hours into minutes, we have to add this 13 minutes in that. So let us start converting. As we know kids, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we will write over here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 7 hours will be equal to 7 multiplied by 60 minutes. So let us multiply. Let us set the number 60 multiplied by 7. Let us multiply. Now let us start multiplying from this side. 7 zeros are 0. So we will write over here 0. Now 7 6. Let us pick the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. We will write over here 42. That means 420 minutes. Now kids, what is left? 13 minutes is left. So what we will do? We will add this 13 minutes in 420 minutes. So let us write over here below 0 3 and below 2 1. We will put the plus sign. Now let us add 0 plus 3 is how much? That is 3 itself. 2 plus 1 is how much? That is 3. And 4 plus nothing is there, that means 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4 itself. So it is 433 minutes. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 433 minutes. That means when we convert 7 hours 13 minutes into minutes, we get the answer 433 minutes. Now kids, let us take the next example. Convert 4 hours 20 minutes into minutes. Again kids, over here we will circle 20 minutes and put a plus sign above it. Now, as we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, over here we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, that means 4 hours will be equal to 4 multiplied by 60 minutes. That means 4 hours multiplied by 60 minutes. Now let us multiply. Let us set the number 6060 multiply by 4. Let us multiply. 4 zeros are 0. Now 4 6. Let us pick the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. So we will write over here 24. Now kids, it has become 240 minutes. Now what is left? 20 minutes is left. So we have to add this 20 minutes in this 240 minutes. So we will write over here 20, that is just below 0 we will write 0. And just below 4 we will write 2. Let us put the plus sign. Now add it. Zero plus 0 is 0 itself. 4 plus 2 is, that is 6. Now 2 plus nothing is there, that means 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2 itself. So it is 260 minutes. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 260 minutes. Now kids, let's recall what we have learnt today. Today we have discussed how to convert hours into minutes, in which we have learnt that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. For conversion, the first step is to convert the hours into minutes. And then step 2 is to add the minutes. In this way, kids, we have to convert the hours into minutes. I hope, kids, you have understood how to convert hours into minutes. Now complete the homework that has been given to you. Thank you.